right, we start with getting a Java JDK. So let's Google for Java JDK download, picking the Oracle JDK, and we need an older version. So let's go to Java Archive and pick Java SE 8. That's good enough for our purposes of using the key tool. You could also use a JRE, and if you already have JDK or JRE on your environment, you can use that. But we proceed here to download. It's a fresh Windows installation, so there's no Java on it. So download the latest Windows 64-bit installer. And while this downloads, let's search for OpenSSL. And personally, I like the distribution of SL Pro Web, Shining Light Productions, where you can find the Windows 64 installer, and pick the big one, not the light one. Okay, let's download that. And now we launch the Java installer. This is speeding up a little bit, so we're fast forwarding through and change the folder name if you want. And also for the JRE, which is included, maybe change the folder name. Again, that's optional, but easier to locate or reference it. So Java will be installed. Now let's install OpenSSL. Run the installer with all the defaults. Change the folder maybe, like I do. Shorter path names are easier to remember. Keep all the defaults and finish. Next we go to GitHub, blacksheep-CRM, and get the Siebel keymaker. Now that's a free script, and it comes of course with absolutely no warranties, so don't assume it works for you, but I demonstrate how we can use it on this single stack machine. So you download the zip from GitHub, extract it, and create a folder. Rename the extracted folder to keymaker on the C drive. And there's a make.cmd script in there, which we need to edit. So first note the usage once you call it. And here's the DNS, the subject alternative names entry. So our machine, the machine I'm recording on, is called Goofy. That's the host name. And it, of course, has a domain name, company.com. So the FQDN is goofy.company.com. And I want the alternative names to just match company.com. So asterisk.company.com I enter as the DNS2 entry. This will be put in the subject alternate names. Then verify that your path names are correct for JDK, OpenSSL, and the home location. And the password is the future JKS password. Now take a moment to digest what the script does. It essentially creates a complete JKS. So now go to the keymaker home, type make, your FQDN of the machine you want to create the JKS for, followed by the alias in the JKS. We use Siebel here. And it generates a fake certificate authority, and it uses that to sign a self-signed certificate and puts that in a JKS. So now it creates that folder for the machine name, and you find the Siebel keystore JKS file with the password you specified, and that's a file you need for a single stack Siebel installation. In case you need other pieces of that, you must take care of that yourself, of course. And see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Hi, it's Richard.
And I'm Alex. Welcome to the Siebel Hub Learning Experience.
Get ready for Siebel 22 with the most up-to-date modular training course available. Learn more with clear, precise instructor presentations.
Team 2 has a mid-level release they want to push to integration test and then incrementally migrate that content to the test database.
Learn better with comprehensive exercises and demonstrations.
Now the next step to be executed is the business service, and we can click Simulate Next. This executes the business service, and we can inspect the output in the workflow process data panel.
Learn faster with high-quality course materials. Go to SiebelHub.com and start learning today.